Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale not launching or crashing on PC. If Hytale won't start, crashes on launch, or closes instantly, follow these solutions step by step, and one of them should fix the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, locate your Hytale launcher shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now open the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. Now try launching Hytale and see if it works. Solution 2. If that didn't work, open the Hytale launcher. In the top left corner of the launcher, click on the Settings icon. Now click on Check for Updates. This will look for launcher updates that may fix crashing or launch issues. Once the update check is complete, restart the launcher and try launching the game again. Solution 3. If the issue continues, open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest driver, then restart your PC. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. Solution 5. For the final solution, open the link in the video description. Scroll down and look for x86. Click vcredist.x86 to download it. Now click vcredist.x64 to download that as well. Once downloaded, double-click vcredist.x64 first. Accept the terms. Click Yes. Wait for it to install. Then click Close. Do not restart yet. Now double-click vcredist.x86. Accept the terms. Click Yes, and wait for the installation to finish. After both are installed, restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, launch Hytale again, and the game should now start without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.